i-private healthcare center is worse than i-Operation Dudula. Obviously, Operation Dudula eating people should not have access to healthcare because obviously they are foreigners, yabo, which is wrong, obviously. But the private healthcare center is worse, because not only does it discriminate against some foreigners, it discriminates against poor South Africans. They hate poor people, and mind you, South Africa is the most unequal country in the world. And even the idea of inequality is visible in our healthcare system. Yabo, ukuthi noma ngahamba wonke ama-foreigner namhlanje, our healthcare system still is overworked. Yabo, 85% of our South Africans, 84% of South Africans use a public healthcare center, and only 16% of our South Africans use the private healthcare center. Yabo, and mind you, njoba sibaningi kanje ku public healthcare center, ama-resources agcwele ku-private bafethu. Abantu they are discriminating. That thing is capitalism, that thing is economic apartheid. Yangithola, bayenza sure ukuthi thina sigcwele laphayana and we're fighting over these little resources, yabo, while bona they have abundance of ama-resources and abawalweli nokwalwela mfethu. Yangithola, and mind you, the one that have been discriminating against poor people for the longest of times. When go booklets, national health insurance, where government speaks with you, why do we need national health insurance? The government yasho ukuthi ama-private ambulances asanokushiya ama-citizens just because they cannot afford ukubhadala. Yangithola ukuthi ibathathe from laba abakhona ibayise in the hospitals. Yangithola, not only that, if you have a medical aid and yaphela like ama-fees akho usase in the hospital, labantu laba bayakwazi ukukhipha in the ICU bakuyise in the public hospital despite ukuthi bowubhadala, not despite ukuthi maybe in the public sector bagcwele and ba under resourced. Yangithola, most of our doctors bethu ama-specialists baku-private sector bafethu. If sifuna vele i-meaningful change eMzansi, kumele singene khona ku-private sector. We must push njengo-Operation Dudula, mara thina kumele siphushele ukungena in the private sector, ngoba ku-public sector siyabhayiziseka, sigcwele, si-under resourced. Yangithola, manje we have to share ama-resources wethu with other poor African countries. Yangithola, whereas i-private sector irelaxile, ayinawo wonke lama-issues langa. Like i-private sector ihlezi iqosha abantu mebangena in the hospitals ukuthi bona abagqoki ama-t-shirts abhala ukuthi Operation Dudula, bagqoka ama-t-shirts abhala ukuthi security, yabo, like abavumeli abantu ukuthi babe ne-access to i-healthcare, and the lighting is an issue. Lighting is an issue bafethu. Yangithola, so kumele siyilwe, kumele sibatshela la ukuthi bangazosijwayela kabi.